Hello everybody! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cool trippy looking CD cover. Now the example of this artwork is on a CD cover, but honestly you can make this into a poster, you can plop this on a t-shirt, you can do whatever you want. I'm just showing you how to do this on a CD cover. Let's get started, guys. Now you got your Photoshop open. I have my canvas at 1000 by 1000 pixel, but the usual CD cover size is 4.7 by 4.7. Don't quote me on that. It's 4.7 decimal something something something. But again, you don't have to make it the CD size cover. If you want to make it, you can make this a poster. It's really up to you. But I'm just showing you these cool techniques on a CD cover. So now you want to go ahead and plop in your photo. And find a photo of myself. There we go. You can put a photo of a dog, a cat, your pet. It's up to you. But I'm just putting a photo of myself, and I mean, you don't have to put a photo, but you'll understand the effects better with the different layers and the different blending modes I'm going to be used. It just looks really cool with a photo in the background, but of course you don't need that. It'll look just as cool without a photo. Okay, so got my photo in, and now this is the next step. You want to make sure, I don't know if you guys have the patterns, but if you don't, I'm going to show you how to make a pattern, and this is how you'll get that cool holographic effect. All you got to do is go into new, make a new, okay, we'll make this 2 pixels by 3. I know this makes no sense, but this is just to make basically a pattern. Not that it doesn't make any sense, but it's just I know that it sounds super tiny. And we're basically going to make it look like this. Green, red, blue. So you're going to basically be making the square shapes there, and that's going to give it that holographic effect. It'll make more sense once we play it along. Okay, so gonna make this. Okay, that's kind of big. Whoops. Okay, there. Square, or I think that's more of a rectangle. That's gonna be red. I'm gonna make this green and blue. Now you don't have to choose these colors, but I think these work the best. And then all you're gonna do is go to Windows, Patterns, right there, Patterns, and then click on the arrow there. On the plus sign, and then fill it in, make your pattern, press OK, and it's right over there. There you have it. Super easy. That's how you make a pattern. Now, we're going to fill that with a pattern. You just click on the pattern, voila. There you have it. And as you zoom in, ooh, it looks like the cool TV effect. Okay, now we are going to go into the filters feature, go to liquify, convert to smart object, and then you'll have the forward tool here at the top, and then the troll tool. And these are the tools we're going to use. Look at that. Isn't that cool? This is basically the gist of how you get the holographic effect. It's pretty cool. Now you're going to play around with this. Whoa, I went a little bit crazy there. And you can really explore this tool. Like, I've probably spent I don't know, maybe hours just playing around with this. It's a pretty cool tool. And yeah, so you can come up with really cool variations of interesting patterns and holographic effects with this tool. You can make something look like it's basically melting with this, and we're kind of going to be doing that in just a few minutes. Once you have your desired effect, and you can press OK, but you can always go back to it. I mean, clearly I'm having a lot of fun with this. this is the gist of it. Then you go into dissolve. Sorry, not dissolve, I mean the blending mode. Sorry guys, I'm a little tired. And then you can choose the blend mode that you like the best. I think I'm probably going to go with abstract, subtract. And then I want to go into channel mixer and make this a little bit more. Whoa, that's really red. There, play around with the reds and the greens. Ooh, you got that kind of neon color popping through. I could, whoa, those reds. Jeez, those reds. Yeah, so you can kind of play around with that. Kind of like that effect. So there's kind of that neon effect there. And looks pretty cool so far, I think. And you can even go into blending mode with my photo as well and see what that looks like with different blending modes. And I can speed this up for you guys because this is the gist of it. Now you kind of just want to play around with it. One other thing that I will be doing is I'm going to be making another layer because I want to kind of pop some more blues in there. And we're just going to go to edit, fill, color. And it's going to make this kind of bluishy color. And then we are going to go on the blending mode. And then you see that kind of bluish color pop through. A little bit more blue. I don't know if you guys can really see that there. Ooh, it's very blue. You can play with that a little bit more later. I'm going to just turn that off for now. But that's again optional. Now what we're going to do is we are going to go into the text and I'm going to add our text. Hope I didn't scare you guys. That's basically the tutorial. I continue to play around with the different blending modes and the different effects on all the various layers, and you guys can continue to do that as well. Honestly, this is a great project to really experiment and play with color and different textures and just like a lot of different blending modes, and just to see the kinds of things you can do with the blending modes and that kind of holographic look. So there's many things that you can do with this. You don't even have to do it exactly how I did it. You guys can come up with your own variations, and I would love to see what you guys come up with. Here are the few variations that I came up with, and if you do go ahead and try this tutorial out, please make sure to tag me because I'd love to see what you guys come up with. You can tag me at the designer Flow. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. And if you did, make sure to comment and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day, guys.